What are smart home automation routines?
The smart home automation routines are sequences of actions your devices perform automatically, based on your preferences. They can help manage lighting, heating, and appliances without constant manual control. By setting up the right routines, you can optimize your home's energy usage and cut costs, all while staying comfortable and making daily life simpler.
How can smart lighting reduce energy use?
Try routines that turn off lights when no one is in a room, or adjust brightness depending on the time of day. Sensors and schedules can ensure you never leave lights on unnecessarily. Dimming lights during the evening lowers energy usage, and pairing with smart bulbs increases overall savings without sacrificing convenience.
What's the best way to automate heating and cooling?
Programmable thermostats can adjust temperature based on your routines. Set devices to lower heating or cooling when you're asleep or away from home. Use geofencing to activate HVAC systems only when someone is returning. These routines prevent energy waste, making climate control efficient and tailored to your schedule.
Can smart plugs help save power?
Smart plugs let you cut off power to devices that aren't in use. Set routines to turn off entertainment centers, coffee makers, or chargers overnight or during work hours. Some smart plugs even monitor energy usage, helping you identify which devices use the most power, so you can set schedules that maximize savings.
Simple tips for getting started.
Start by automating just one or two devices. Test routines before relying on them and check for compatibility with your home system. Many platforms offer ready-made routines within their apps. Over time, you can build a network of energy-saving automations, making your home smarter and more efficient without extra effort.